When you consider air pollution, you usually picture the air outside. Fortunately, you can retreat to the safety of clean air inside your home. In fact, the quality of the air inside your home can sometimes be worse than that of the outside air. In fact, indoor air pollution levels are frequently 2 to 5 times higher than outdoor levels. And in some cases, they can even be more than 100 times higher. Hello everyone, and welcome back to The Best That Is. The cost of employing air purifiers to purify the air inside a building might be high. In today's video, we'll tell you about the best air purifying plants you can keep inside your home. From bamboo palm to peace lily, dracaena, weeping fig, and more. Watch until the end to learn about all of them. While plants liven up your home, they also remove toxins from the air at the same time, making them a healthier, more affordable alternative. Areca palm is the best. As with all plants, the Eureka palm is designed biologically to absorb carbon dioxide and expel oxygen. But what makes it unique is its capacity to rid the environment it lives in of harmful substances like formaldehyde, xylene, and toluene. This plant thrives in filtered light and requires frequent watering for one person. 4 shoulder-high plants ought to be adequate. Do you enjoy having indoor plants? If so, please let us know which ones are your favorites. Dim in the part with comments below. Number 2 on the list is the gorgeous Gerbera daisy, often used as a decorative element in gardens. This plant is also notable for its capacity to produce high levels of oxygen at night while eliminating dangerous chemicals like benzene, which is beneficial for people with respiratory disorders and sleep apnea. This plant needs strong sunlight in the summer, spring, and fall, as well as direct light during the winter. Because of its beautiful character, it requires frequent watering and wet soil maintenance. Keep it on the nightstand for better sleep. The number of suggested flower pots is left to the planter's judgment. Number 3, peace lily, calm lily. Glossy green leaves make peace lilies a great addition to any space, especially those with low light. Water them once a week and fertilize with a slow-release fertilizer in the spring to encourage growth. And gorgeous white blooms. Peace lilies are a low-maintenance and easy-to-maintain plant that can eliminate toxins like formaldehyde and benzoene. English ivy, number 4. This perennial that grows easily because vine is so good at removing airborne fecal particles. It's the ideal air purifier for your bathroom. According to studies, the ivy can also help reduce mold growth in homes. Give this plant enough of water and 4 hours a day of direct sunlight, and it will give you back your love and clean, detoxified air. Spider plant, number 5. The sturdy spider plant is the ideal option for individuals new to houseplants, as it will discreetly combat pollutants such as carbon monoxide and xylene, a solvent used in the rubber and printing industries. One of the few houseplants that is safe for pets to be around is this one, number 6, dracaena. You can also develop a full family of self-sufficient plants by repotting the small spider rats. Dracaena. With over 40 different varieties, it's easy to find the ideal plant for your house or place of business. However, pet owners may want to choose a different plant because these can remove pollutants like benzene, formaldehyde, and xylene when consumed. Dracaena can grow up to 3 feet tall, so larger pots and more space are needed. It also prefers to be misted rather than watered. Sighing figure no. 7, tearful fig. The ficus tree is native to Southeast Asia and some parts of Australia. It is a hardy indoor plant that may grow up to 10 feet tall and requires little care. When the temperature is far above freezing, beauty and bright indirect sunshine and allowing the soil to dry out between waterings helps eliminate toxins like benzene and formaldehyde. You may also bring this indoor plant outside to add some color to your patio or porch. Number 8, rubber trees, whether they are burgundy or a standard green color, are the most oxygen-producing plants. They also effectively remove up to 60% of air pollutants like formaldehyde and mold spores from the air. Fighting off mold and bacteria is part of the plant's defense mechanism to protect its soil. Number 9, Silver Bay evergreen Chinese pine. Silver Bay Chinese evergreens are happy in any type of lighting and are known to improve mood, reduce stress, and improve memory and productivity. They come in a wide range of colors, including pink, red, orange, yellow, and gray, and they can effectively filter toxins like carbon monoxide, formaldehyde, and benzene. Aloe vera, ranked 10th. Aloe vera, a healing plant, is a great addition to your kitchen windowsill since it enjoys sunshine and can be used to relieve burns in the kitchen. It also helps to filter the air by eliminating formaldehyde and benzoene, which are chemicals found in detergents, floor finishes, and varnishes. It is ideal for rookie plant parents because it grows very well in the sunny spot and doesn't need to be watered frequently. Ensure that it is placed on a windowsill or other well-lit. Aloe vera has numerous additional health benefits for your body outside, only cleansing the air. So keep reading to find out what they are. Watch the video using aloe vera every day does this to your body before returning to the list of the finest indoor plants to eliminate pollutants and toxins. Number 11. Snake plant. Known as mother-in-law's tongue, this yellow-tipped plant produces oxygen at night to improve breathing and is one of the greatest plants for purifying the air of dangerous chemicals like formaldehyde and xylene. Place it in your bedroom and you'll have a restful night's sleep. Toluene and benzoine. Remember not to overwater since wet soil can cause the roots to rot. Number 12. Of the blooming orchids. An orchid is a vivid, brilliant houseplant that will undoubtedly enhance the beauty of your home. Although they require regular care, they do. They may eliminate xylene, a contaminant found in glue and paint, and provide vibrancy and invitingness to rooms. They thrive in tiny pots with well-drained soil and can be removed from harsh light. Azalea 13. When planted in a cluster, azaleas bloom in a multitude of colors and create a striking sight that will infuse your living areas with color and vitality. This lovely dual-purpose plant not only brightens your interior spaces with its lovely blooms, but it also has air-purifying qualities. It grows best in cool, bright areas away from direct sunlight, as bright light tends to burn leaves. It also helps offset the negative effects of formaldehyde from foam insulation and plywood. To keep the plant in shape, you can trim it when the blooming period is over. Bamboo palm, position 14. Bamboo grove. As an extra bonus, the bamboo plant, also called the butterfly palm, is a robust air-purifying plant that filters formaldehyde and benzene. It requires wet soil and placement in a location with good air circulation. In addition to purifying the air, this plant naturally produces humidity, which makes it even more helpful in dry winter climates. It grows best in bright but indirect sunlight and needs to be pruned frequently due to its quick growth. Pets can safely enjoy its non-toxic nature. Number 15. Dwarf date palm. If you're looking for some tropical vibes, a palm tree is a great accent to add some style to your home. Although its name may suggest otherwise, the dwarf date palm, also known as the pygmy date palm, is actually pretty big when it comes to purifying air. It grows very slowly, reaching a maximum height indoors of 4 to 5 feet. It prefers indirect light, which makes it a beloved companion of people at homes and offices around the world. It also doesn't require an overly hot and humid environment, as you might think. It does perfectly well at a normal room temperature of 50 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. It waters it moderately, keeping the soil moist but not soggy. It loves bright indirect light but can also survive in medium filtered light. Plant number 16 is a pothos. Pothos plant, also known as devil's ivy, is perhaps the best plant for low light levels indoors. It's a notoriously hardy specimen that rarely gives you plant problems, making it a great plant companion for your home. However, if you really wanted to kill it as some sort of nasty revenge, you could deprive it of water, which is the only thing that could cause stunted leaf growth and wilting. Excessive watering isn't recommended either, but the plant loves to be heavily watered. In fact, it can be grown in water. Other than that, it requires very little maintenance. While some plants are specifically meant to purify the air inside your home, there are other plants. Learn more by watching these 2 videos, which will teach you about the 8 healthiest plants to have in your home and the plants you should keep in your bedroom. They will also help you choose the best plants for your home, both in terms of appearance and health. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below.